PMI ACP and CSM. Let's talk about the difference between these two certifications. My name is Alcides Santopietro, and I'm an instructor of PMI certification exams like PMP, PMI ACP, Discipline Agile Scrum Master, and Discipline Agile Senior Scrum Master. Today, I'm going to talk about the difference between these two certifications that are both covering the Agile world of project management. So the PMI ACP, PMI Agile Certified Practitioner, and the CSM, Certified Scrum Master certifications, they are related to each other. They have some similarities and some important differences. And you need to know which one you would like to have in your CV as part of your career development. So let's see why or how you're going to take this decision. If you need to pick one of them, which one is the best for you? First thing that you need to have in mind is what you want for your career. What are you anticipating for the next 5 years or so in your career? Do you want to play a role in an agile environment as a Scrum Master? Do you want to develop yourself as a Scrum Master? Or do you want to have a more generalist professional profile that would be eventually touching other frameworks, other agile methodologies other than Scrum? Scrum is maybe the most popular agile methodology out there, and that's why this certification, especially the CSM certification, is very popular, because it certifies you to become a professional Scrum Master. If your intention is to run into this direction, if your intention is to work in a software development environment as a Scrum Master, so the CSM certification will teach you, actually the training that you take to get ready for the exam, the CSM exam will teach you the basics, the foundation of the Scrum methodology. So all the roles, the ceremonies, and everything you need to know to play the role of a Scrum Master, you will learn in this certification program, if you obtain this certification. On the other hand, if your intention is to work in an agile environment, not necessarily related to software development, not necessarily related to an environment that works with Scrum, but if you want to take a role in organizations that can come from any industry, and you want to apply the agile mindset to your projects, the PMI ACP certification may be the best for you. Probably is the best for you exactly because it gives you not only the foundation of the Scrum methodology, the Scrum framework that you need to know, but also teaches you the agile mindset, the agile principles that you want to incorporate in your practices. You're going to learn about lean practices. You're going to learn about Kanban. Well, obviously, Scrum is part of the preparatory training as well, and the exam. So you are going to navigate through different methods. You're going to see Crystal. You're going to see test-driven development. You're going to see adaptive planning, how to work with performing teams. So it is much more than a training that is focused on the Scrum methodology. It gives you really a broad view of what the agile mindset is and what you're going to get when you apply these techniques at work. So in summary, the CSM certification may be suitable for you if you are looking for a Scrum Master position within the next 5 years or so. And the PMI ACP certification may be the best one for you if you want to have a broader view of the agile mindset, how to apply agile principles in your projects, regardless if it's using a Scrum methodology or any other framework or hybrid framework that you might want to apply in your organization. All right, I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to receive more information about the Agile project management and project management best practices, and see you next time.